Hello, today I want to talk to you about these timers. We have had these timers for over years in our house, and what I really love about them is that if you want to set up your light or your radio on timer, and if you're going for vacation and you want your light regularly turns on and off, this could be a great option. I will show you it very close, tell you how to use it, and share my overall thoughts with you. So we're ready to set up our lamp, and I kind of want to show to you this timer very quick and more close. So you can see we have time and we can have on button. You can see our on buttons turn out at 7:15 p.m. Then off button when it's turned off at 10:44 p.m. And you can set up your hours, minutes, and you can do reset. And right here you can see there's a quick reference for every single button right here. And it's also have an option to be timer control, so it means the times can go on and off when you set it up, or you can just do always on. It's very simple, works great. You can see here like we can plug in our lamp, and here we can just plug it into the wall. Overall, we absolutely love these timers, and what I love the most about these timers is that they could be used anywhere around your house. You can use them for the light, for your radio, or anything else you wish to turn on and off while you're away. The one little flaw I would like to mention for you is that over a period of time, I would probably say around months or two, the time slightly becomes a little bit inaccurate. But it's only around 2-3 minutes off. So overall, we still absolutely love them. We use them throughout our house everywhere and highly recommend to check them out. Thanks for watching.